Hello everybody, it's Janelle again from Pieces to Treasure. Welcome back. Now today we're going to learn how to cut toweling or any other striped fabric you like to make patterns like the quilt behind me. And see this cushion here? This cushion has been made piecing up 4 triangles, and the same goes for this free as a bird cushion up here on the wall. Believe it or not, this one is made using this toweling here. Got myself in a tangle, and I've cut the triangles, pieced them together to make a square, and we get the front of that pillow there. The quilt behind me, Hip to be Square is the name of that quilt. All the squares are made from toweling using the cutting technique that we're going to have a quick walk through today. So today I'm going to be cutting from the toweling used to make this large European pillow. So watch along, learn, and then you can have a go at home yourself. So on the table I have my toweling rolled out. Now the first thing I have to do is a 45-degree cut, because we are going to cut large right-angled triangles. So on your ruler there is a 45-degree line. That's the one we need, 45 degrees. And we're going to line that up on one long edge of our toweling. There's my 45-degree line on the long edge, and the edge of my ruler runs all the way down and out the other side of my toweling. I'm going to open my cutter and cut it off at 45 degrees. Just like that. Job done. So we've cut half our triangle now. Give yourself a little pat on the back if you've managed to do that successfully. Now it's time to cut the other half. So we need to know how long is the side of our cushion. Now in this particular case, our cushion is 27 inches long. So I'm going to use my mat, put that tip on the 0, this one 27 inches, and then I'll place my ruler on the 27-inch mark, and I'm going to use one of my horizontal lines on my ruler on the 45-degree edge that I just cut. Now, as a double check, I like to use my 45-degree line here and line it up on my other edge of the toweling. So I've got this one lined up with my cut edge, this 45-degree line lined up with the edge of my toweling, and that is giving me my 90-degree triangle. So we're going to cut once more. How about that? One 90-degree triangle. Now, you're all thinking we're not there yet, because we know we need 4 triangles like this to make up our cushion, like that. So we've got to make sure that all our 4 triangles are exactly the same. So we've done the hard yards with our first triangle. So we're going to use that as our template. We're going to lay it on the toweling and match up all our stripes. Nice and flat, the edge is matching up, our stripes are matching up. Just keep fiddling with it. Now you don't want to play with this top triangle too much, because you've got bias edges down here now, and we all know they can get a little bit stretchy. So minimum handling. Now place your ruler on the edge of our template, and we're going to cut along the edge. Flip it around, keeping our stripes matched. Now you can pin this if you like. If you're going to pin it, use a flathead pin like that. And the reason we do that is because our ruler goes on top of it, doesn't leave a bump. Cut it off. Now we have 2 matching triangles. Have a look at that. And that's giving you half of your square that you're going to make from this, to make this European pillow. So we would go on and we would cut 2 more of these triangles. Then we can make pillows, quilts, all sorts of things. You can make tiny little ones as well if you want to put them into quilts. You can have a lot of fun with that. And next video, I'm going to show you how to sew them up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.